See children, so we have completed the poem, The Trains. Have you read the poem? Yes. If you read the poem, you can tell the answers very easily. Okay. So who didn't read that poem once again. Okay ma? And now see this. Today we have comprehension part. What do we have? About the lesson, some grammar topics we have. What are those? See the first one. Time to answer. Answer the following questions. So here in the time to answer, first part we have answer the following questions. So what are the questions we have? So see the textbook and one by one read first question. One by one question answers we can see. So what is the first question? Where do the trains run? Where do the trains run? Where do the trains run? Yes, first stanza only. Where are they running? Yes, on the mountains, plains, rivers, right? So that you should write in a sentence. So answer sentence. The trains run. The trains run over the mountains. The trains run over the mountains, the plains, and the rivers. The plains and the rivers, right? So where do the trains run? So where are they running? Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers. Here come the trains, right? So that's why the trains run over the mountains. Mountain spelling, be careful children. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S. Mountains, over the mountains. The plains, over the plains. Plains spelling P-L-A-I-N-S. Plains. And the rivers. Rivers spelling you know R-I-V-E-R-S. Right? So the trains run over the mountains. Repeat the answer. The trains run over the mountains, the plains and the rivers. Right? Did you get it? So read that answer once again. And yes, now see the second question. What do we have the second question? What are the precious loads? What are the precious loads? Precious spelling P-R-E-C-I-O-U-S. P-R-E-C-I-O-U-S. Precious loads. What are the precious loads that the trains carry? That the trains carry. What are the precious loads that the trains carry? The trains carry the precious loads. Na? What are those precious loads? Yes, passengers, mail, right? So passengers and mail. So write the answer for this. Passengers. Passengers spelling Nana. Tell me. P-A-S-S-E-N-G-E-R-S. Passengers and mail. M-A-I-L. Mail. Passengers and mail are the precious loads. Precious spelling P-R-E-C-I-O-U-S. Precious loads that the trains carry. That the trains carry. Right. So passengers and mails are the precious loads that the trains carry? See the question. What are the precious loads that the trains carry? Right? So then easily we can write. So in this place what? We can write passengers and mail. Remaining same question you get it. So tell me the answer. Passengers and mail are the precious loads that the trains carry. That the trains carry. Got it? Yes. No, write down. And next third question. What is the third question? When do the trains run? When do the trains run? When do the trains run? When do they run? Yes, they run through day and night. Right? Day and night and dusk and dawn. Day and night and dusk and dawn. So write the answer for this. The trains run through the trains run through day and night, day and darkness they gave, na? Write that one only. Day and darkness and dawn and dusk. Dusk and dawn. And dusk and dawn. The trains run through day and darkness and dusk and dawn. So day and night and dusk and dawn. Early morning, early evening. Right? So that in all these times the trains run. Right, children? So and see the fourth question. What do we have? Yes, did we get the answer for this? When do the trains run? At what time they asked? When means time, na? So when do the trains run? So at what time? Total day and night, right? So the trains run through day and darkness. Day and darkness means daytime and night time. And dusk and dawn also, na? Through dusk and dawn also. If you want, you write through also here. Through dusk and dawn. Okay, so the trains run through day and darkness and through dusk and dawn. Through dusk and dawn. So all the times the trains run. Okay, ma. And see the next question. What is dusk and dawn? So here we said dusk and dawn. So what is this dusk and dawn? What is the meaning of dusk and dawn? Right. So I told you, what is that? Dusk means evening. Dusk means evening. And dawn means morning. Dusk means evening and dawn means morning. Right, children? What is dusk and dawn? So dusk means evening. So just before the darkness, na? And dawn means morning. Just before the sunrise or first light. Okay, that we call it dawn. Okay, children? So these are the questions. Once again I am repeating. See the questions. What is that first one? Where do the trains run? So where are these trains running? Yes, over the mountains, over the plains and over the rivers. Right? Write the answer. Tell me answer. Read all of you. The trains run over the mountains, the plains and the rivers. Right, children? And see the second one. What are the precious loads that the trains carry? What are the precious loads that the trains carry? So what are those precious loads? The passengers and mail. Passengers and mail are the precious loads that the trains carry. Passengers and mail are the precious loads that the trains carry. Precious spelling, be careful children, spelling Precious. Okay ma. And now see this one. When do the trains run? At what time the trains run? Total 24 hours na? Now see. The trains run through day and darkness and through dusk and dawn. The trains run through day and darkness. Day and darkness means day and night. And through dusk and dawn. Dusk and dawn means early evening, early morning. Right? So in all the times we have. And what is dusk and dawn? What is dusk and dawn? Dusk means evening and dawn means morning. Dusk means evening and dawn means morning. Okay children, clear this one? So let's see the next topic. Yes, see children, so the next topic after question answers in this poem we have, that is vocabulary part. Vocabulary means, yes, it's a time to know new words, that is the meanings. Already at the time of poem we have learned the meanings. But once again you see the meanings, learn these meanings, words very properly. What are those? First one you see mountains. First one it is mountains. What is mountain? Yes, that is a raised part of the earth's surface much larger than a hill. Much larger and big than a hill. A raised part of the earth's surface. A raised part of the earth's surface and much larger than a hill. That we call it mountains. Okay, and see the second word, what do we have? Passenger. We have passenger. Passenger means a person who is traveling in a vehicle. A person who is traveling in a vehicle. Okay, that is passenger. Rivers. Rivers, all of you know na? A natural flow of fresh water. Of course, nowadays we don't have that much of fresh water in our rivers, but river means a natural flow of fresh water. Natural flow of fresh water, we call it rivers. And precious. Precious, I told you, valuable. So of great value. Precious means of great value. And next word, mail. Mail means, yes, letters and parcels we just said na. So the letters and parcels that are sent by post. The letters and parcels that are sent by post. That are sent by post. What we are sending by post, those are called mail. And plains. What are these plains? A large area of flat land. A large area of flat land. Mountain, large area, but very raised part, height. But these plains means flat land we have. And next one is dusk. Dusk we discussed. So the time before night when it is not at dark. The time before night when it is not at dark, that is evening session. And dawn means, next word is dawn. Next word, dawn. First light before sunrise. First light before sunrise. So after the darkness, before the sunrise light, we have the natural light. That we call it dawn. That we call it dawn. Okay ma? So these are the vocabulary part. What do we have? Mountains. A raised part of earth's surface much larger than a hill. All of you read it out. And second one, passenger. What is the meaning of passenger? A person who is traveling in a vehicle. A person who is traveling in a vehicle. And what is the third one? Rivers. Rivers means a natural flow of fresh water. A natural flow of fresh water is called rivers. And next, precious. Precious. What's the meaning of precious? A great value. A great value or valuable. Next one, mail. What are these mails? Mail means the letters are parcels that are sent by post. The letters are parcels sent by the post. Those are called mail. And plains. Plains means a large area of flat land. A large area of flat land. Next word, what do we have? Dusk. Dusk. The time before night. The time before night when it is not at dark. When it is not at dark. And next last word is dawn. What is dawn? First light before sunrise. First light before sunrise. Early morning. That we call it dawn. Okay, children. Alright, so learn those meanings. Yes, see children, so the next in this poem, Trains, we have time to spell well. Time to spell well means, that is missing letters mostly we get. What do we have now? Complete the words. So here they have given the words by missing some letters. That we should complete them. Okay children, so all these from the poem only, no doubt at all. So one by one you read and tell me the answers, right? So see the first one, what do we have? M-U-T-I-N. Yes, you should get the answer for this easily. What is that? The train runs, yes, mountains, plains, rivers, right? Those only answers. So tell me this one. This is mountains. Spelling M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. What is the spelling of mountain? M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. And see the second one. P-A-N-. So this is plains. P-L-A-I-N-S. P-L-A-I-N-S. Plains. Mountain, plains. Right. And next one. Yes, easily you can find. Very good. Correct answer. What is this? Rivers. R-I-V-E-R-S. R-I-V-E-R-S. Rivers. Mountain, plains, rivers. Right. Next one. C-R-Y. Very good. What is this? Carry. C-A-R-R-Y. C-A-R-R-Y. Carry. Next one. Yes, the poem is about this only. What? Trains. T-R-A-I-N-S. T-R-A-I-N-S. Trains. T-R-A-I-N-S. Trains. Next one. L-A-S. L-A-S. So what do we have? This is loads. Spelling L-O-A-D-S. L-O-A-D-S. Loads. Right. Next one. D-S-. D-S-. What do we have? Yes, dusk. D-U-S-K. Dusk. Dust also you can write, but here in the exam, in the poem we don't have no dust. Dusk we have. That's why that we should write. D-U-S-K. Dusk. D-U-S-K. Dusk. Dusk and yes, dawn. D-A-W-N. Dawn. Dusk and dawn. D-U-S-K. Dusk. D-A-W-N. Dawn. Right. And this one, can't you find? Yes, easily you can. P-S-S-N-E-S. We are traveling in a train. Then we are passengers. Spelling P-A-S-S-E-N-G-E-R-S. Passengers. P-A-S-S-E-N-G-E-R-S. Passengers. And now here, yes, this word is difficult. Freight. F-R-E-I-G-H-T. F-R-E-I-G-H-T. Freight means goods carry from one place to another. That we call it freight. F-R-E-I-G-H-T. Okay, and see the last one. Yes, you should understand. D-R-N-S-S. This is darkness. D-A-R-K-N-E-S-S. Darkness. Right. So once all of you read the spellings, first one is mountain. So read along with me. That is the spelling. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. Mountain spelling. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. Next one, plains. P-L-A-I-N-S. Plains. And next one, rivers. Spelling R-I-V-E-R-S. Carry. Spelling C-A-R-R-Y. Carry. Good. Next one, trains. Spelling T-R-A-I-N-S. Trains. This is loads. Spelling read L-O-A-D-S. Loads. And next one is dusk. Spelling D-U-S-K. Dusk. And dawn spelling D-A-W-N. Dawn. And next, passengers. Spelling tell me. P-A-S-S-E-N-G-E-R-S. P-A-S-S-E-N-G-E-R-S. Passengers. And next word, freight. F-R-E-I-G-H-T. F-R-E-I-G-H-T. Freight. And next last word is darkness. Spelling D-A-R-K-N-E-S-S. D-A-R-K-N-E-S-S. Darkness. Right, children? So learn these spellings properly. Yes, see children, so now we have here next part, time to rhyme. So rhyme means here not of rhyming words, but as fast as you speak it, the same letter repeats, but how you may confuse. So for that, for the fun purpose, we have here. What is this? Say these lines as fast as you can. So this line, only one line we have, of course 2 lines I got it. So as fast as you can. So very fast you speak it. What is this? The 222 train tore through the tunnel. So tell me fast. The 222 train tore through the tunnel. Right? So 2 ta, right? Ta sound we are getting more. The 222 train tore through tunnel. Through the tunnel. Right? So how the train is moving that, but all we are getting with T only. That's why here, if we see all the words started with T only. That's why here they have given. So speak it as fast as you can. The 222 train tore through the tunnel. Right, children? So again you practice it 2 to 3 times and speed as fast as you can. Okay, very fast you speak it. Okay, children? So that is for fun purpose. See the next one. Yes, see children, so the next topic we have time to write. So in this time to write, what do you have? If you see your book, see that what did they give? Describe an interesting train or bus journey you have taken. Describe an interesting train or bus journey you have taken or would you like to take. Already you have traveled or else you're planning for that. Write 4 sentences about your journey. So what you are planning or else what you have done. You can use some of the following words or phrases. So here they have given some words and phrases that we should use it. So what are those? See that one by one you read it. What is that? First we have many people, railway station or bus station, window seat, ticket, crowded tea stalls, river, big and small trees, hills and loud whistle. So total 10 words they have given. By using these we should frame the sentences. That means in our answer we should write these words. You should use these words. Okay, children. So, example they have given. I went to the railway station with my father. Okay, so I'll give the answer. So you can write some more better points also, your wish. Simple points, but I am giving very simple one only. What is this? First one. I went to the railway station. All of you note it down, Nana. I went to the railway station with my father. With my father yesterday, maybe, may not be, no problem, because event means already it's completed. Okay, ma. So then, so what happened later? We bought a ticket. We bought a ticket to visit my to visit my grandparents' place. Grandparents' place. So to go somewhere means we need to take ticket, na? That's why we bought a ticket to go to visit my grandparents' place. And later what happened? It was, how the railway stations? It was crowded by many people. It was crowded by many people. I was seated. Yes, where do you like to sit? Yes, window only, right? Window seat only. Yes, I was seated near the window in the train. I was seated near the window in the train. Right, children? And when the guard, so their ticket in the station, we have the guards, na? They only give the loud whistle sounds. Right? So when the guard whistled loudly, when the guard whistled loudly, what happens? The train started when the guard whistled loudly, the train started from the platform. From the platform. Right, ma? And next, I saw beautiful scenery. Beautiful scenery. We don't have the word sceneries. Okay, scenery only. Okay, so pictures of scenery, or else beautiful trees of scenery, like that we can write, but sceneries we cannot write. Okay, beautiful scenery, big and small trees, big and small trees, big and small trees, hills, mountains, rivers, On the way. On the way. While going on, we can see all these now. And crowded tea stalls, they said na. So that is also we can write. And crowded tea stalls at the stations. So in between we have some stations na. So when it is stopped, the tea stalls are very crowded. So at the stations. Okay. So river, that is, I saw beautiful scenery, big and small trees, hills, mountains, rivers on the way, and crowded tea stalls at the stations. Crowded tea stalls at the stations. Crowded tea stalls at the stations. Right, children? And now, I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. God has created a beautiful nature. God has created a beautiful nature. Right, children? Once again, I am telling all of you, read it along with me. Here, I went to the railway station with my father. Why? We bought a ticket to visit my grandparents' place. Yes, if you go to railway station, we must buy the ticket either before or at that time, right? And it was crowded by many people. So many people are there, na? Yes, it was seated near the window in the train. Sorry, I was seated near the window in the train. So generally train journey or bus journey means we like to sit. Yes, near the window seat. When the God whistled loudly, so very loud whistle sound they give, na? So when the God whistled loudly, the train started from the platform. So up to that they stop on the platform. So when the whistle they get it, slowly it starts. So it moves. And I saw beautiful scenery. So while going on, what can we see? Beautiful scenery. What is that? Total covered with the green. So what do we have? Big and small trees, hills, mountains, rivers on the way, and crowded tea stalls at the stations. So on the way, these we can see, and whenever it stopped in another station, there we can see all the tea stalls crowded with the people, right? Crowd means group of people, filled with the people. And I really enjoyed it. So do you enjoy that one or not? Yes, really we enjoyed. God has created a beautiful nature. Right, children? So do you accept God has created beautiful nature to us? Yes, very good. So then write it down in your book, all of you. Yes, see children, so the last topic in this poem, trains, that is time to do. Time to do means you have project work. You know that. So now see this one. Look at the following picture. Can you make a model like this? So here you see the picture. So can you make a model like this? So here the picture is, if you see the train and over the river and over the mountains, plains, to cross all these things we have created the beautiful picture. So can you prepare the same kind of or any similar to this or else your own while going on train? So what you can see at the railway station, how the people are there, while going on, how can you see the nature? So like that, try to all of you prepare the model like this. Okay children, so do it. This is your project work.